and welcome to Need to Know. Earning money in the modern era isn't that tough, especially if you work smartly. Let us break a bubble here. Did you know that you can earn a decent amount of money on websites like Fiverr without possessing any talents or knowledge? It's doable by anyone, even by you or any amateur. Hard work is no longer the X factor now. You can earn money through a variety of methods on Fiverr, and today we'll show you 7 smart ways to do just that. With that being said, let's begin. Number 7. Website or software testing. Now, whenever someone releases a digital product such as an app, website, or service, they require feedback because it is so important for them to improve the offering and attract new clients. Of course, they need someone to test it if they don't already have any clients. That's when you enter the picture. Of course, a phone, a computer, or the internet would be necessary, but in all honesty, you're watching this video, so we guess you have that covered. As a result, if we go to Fiverr, for instance, and type in website testing, we will notice that many people are providing this service and earning money in the process. Now, the standard procedure is for them to email you a link to their website or the app, which you'll check out. Then write out your pros and drawbacks, what you like and don't like about the product, and then deliver it to your client. Number 6. Removing backgrounds. We'll cover a straightforward issue now. You need to remove the background from a picture. While others may find this overwhelming, particularly if they lack any visual or technological knowledge, you have now found a role to perform or a niche to fulfill. You can use remove.bg, a website that provides this particular service. On Fiverr, you can see that there is a need for this, so you can make money if you can sell the service. Therefore, all you have to do is upload a photo there, and the backdrop will be eliminated. You can download it and provide it to your customers. One thing to note about remove.bg is that if you don't pay for the service, you won't receive great quality. Alternatively, you may visit canva.com, which provides the same service of easy background removal. You'll require the premium version, which isn't 100% free, but you can try it out for 30 days for free if you click the link in the description. Number 5. Selling album covers. Another extremely unique job, although you might not be skilled in record cover design. You could accomplish this by employing artificial intelligence. The website thisartworkdoesnotexist.com can be used to complete the task. Additionally, it is essentially artificial intelligence that, once you reload the page, adds a variety of brand new artificial graphics that have never been used before. Thispersondoesnotexist.com is another website that performs a similar function. Therefore, if someone enjoys your work, they will undoubtedly pay for it. Do read the copyright's small print to ensure you have the rights to sell the artwork in a public domain. Number 4. SEO reports. SEO, or search engine optimization, is a modern term. Most likely you have heard of it. On YouTube and other search engines, including Google, of course, you may perform SEO. Many individuals today need an audit of their website's SEO to determine if it is good or terrible. Naturally, they could visit a company and spend a lot of money on this. Or they could use Fiverr to find someone cheap, and perhaps that person is you. Because there are actual websites where you can just key in their website name and get a full SEO report exported, make a snapshot off of it, and give that to your client. It's not that difficult to build a valuable report. You're done at that point. You just gain money by selling something you don't even understand. SEOanalyzer.me from h-educate.com works incredibly effectively for this purpose. Number 3. T-shirt designs. Nowadays, a lot of individuals sell t-shirts on websites like Redbubble, Teespring, or Amazon, and they require a lot of designs, often thousands of designs. As a result, there's a big market for this kind of product. You don't have to be a designer. There are websites made just to assist you in making t-shirt designs. You can use the free versions of Placeit.net or Canva.com. You can use it to create incredibly personalized and distinctive designs to satisfy your clients. All the free templates make the design process super easy. Number 2. Creating banner ads. Have you ever visited a website where there are tiny banners at the top or on the side urging you to click on their amazing offering? Undoubtedly you have. You can create these and offer them to website owners or marketing firms who just want to outsource the service. CreateUppy.com is a good site to help you design your banner advert with an abundance of templates. You can browse through various niches on CreateUppy.com, including business, lifestyle, and education. Choose a template and make a few adjustments to the text and design, and presto! You have your professional ad ready and can now wow your customer. Number 1. Making intros. Many people today want introductions for YouTube videos, video advertisements, or other purposes. And by using templates, you can complete those tasks very quickly. Videoable.net is a great tool to get this job done. With Videoable, you can use a template for an intro that includes sound. All you need to do is add the title. You could also try Panzoid.com if you're not a big fan of Videobolt. This is another wonderful platform for making intros, which happens to be a community-based website. Just type in the name and you'll receive a unique intro with fantastic music. That ought to be plenty to put a little cash in your wallet. Check out the description below for some useful links. Let us know in the comments section if any of the suggestions we provided today have helped you in any way, even just a little, or has motivated you to take action. Subscribe to the channel and follow us to stay up to date with our content. Thanks for watching. Congrats on taking control of your personal finances. See you in the next video.